Good medical morning. James Woods, a carpenter from Texas, was forced to endure his niece popping a massive cyst on his face after he was denied medical treatment because he didn't have insurance. Let's take a look at some still pictures and a few video clips of the cyst itself. The complete video is licensed to Caters TV, and we'll put a link to the whole video in the description below. Mr. Woods had suffered with the cyst for 4 months before it was tackled at the family home in February. It was so large that it began to make his face misshapen, and Jennifer Woods came to her uncle's rescue and decided to deal with it by herself. In the 5-minute long clip, James sits there like an absolute trooper while Jennifer keeps squeezing the pus out. Jennifer said, "He's never had one before. It was really painful for him." Dermatologists normally advise patients with infected cysts not to squeeze or pop them, but to seek professional assistance. It seemed Mr. Woods wasn't in a position to get professional help, so they did the best they could. Infections in the face and mouth area can be quite serious, but fortunately he did recover and is doing okay. Here's a few bonus clips of similar afflictions. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for new medical content every week. Adios.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.